Today beautiful day because today is snowing in Dubai. You can see beautiful, look. In Dubai snow. I like, it's nice. Tricky, get off chair. Get off. My friend, get off chair. Go, yalla. Yalla, go. Hey, yalla. Hi everyone and welcome back. I am Khalas and this is the fourth and final episode of our Dubai travel guide. We've covered how to get discounts and free access to the most trending places in Dubai. We also covered things that you should try to eat, very good, local cuisine, and we've covered what places you should visit. Check previous videos, everything is there. I will pass the word now to Orlando because I am sick of talking and I finally want to smoke shisha. So, and I'm back. Happy to be back with you guys.
Happy to be back with you guys. That's Orlando. Now I hope you don't mind, I'm gonna wear the sunglasses that Khalas wears just because he's so cool and I want to look cool like him. There we go. This is our last video. I hope you enjoyed the last three. Today we're adding some extras. 1. Our favorite dining spots with best views in Dubai. 2. The best viewing spot for landings of huge aircrafts. 3. How to visit the Emirates airline headquarters for free. 4. We'll bust some Dubai myths, alcohol, parties, and dress code myths, and talk about the dark side of Dubai. And 5. Interesting facts and perks of living in Dubai, if it's safe or not, and much more. This episode is meant to be an open dialogue between you and me. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll reply to each and every one of you. This is the best spot for viewing aircraft approaches. It's next to the airport. Please note that coming here is your choice and your responsibility. We recommend coming here for a very short time to avoid any potential disruption. Before we continue, subscribe and like this video to see more content like this. It really makes me proud and very happy to see more and more people interested in my videos. Regardless where you go, if you have a car, use the free valet parking. It's insanely comfortable and costs you nothing. All these offers are available on Groupon.ae and save you money. 5 Palm Jumeirah has one of the best views of Dubai and the last floor is so elevated you can see Marina and downtown at the same time. Right next to it is Fairmont the Palm. Dining here is a total bargain. The view isn't as good as 5 Palm Jumeirah, but you do pay less. Check our previous video, we know the trick, how to get you in free of charge. Our favorite is Kempinski on the Palm. Food is super delicious. Location is simply the best to its greenery, and it's cheap. We love the gardens around. Recommended absolutely. For downtown dining, we recommend Ewaan the Palace. Woo! Buffet is crazy good. Oysters and prawns, steaks and fillets, you name it. And you're directly below the Burj Khalifa. We recommend going to the Thai bar after eating here. It's right over the fountains. Offers to these places come and go. They're seasonal, so you might not find them sometimes. One of the things we recommend doing is going to Hatta. Might sound absurd, but Dubai has mountains too. They're 134 kilometers away from the city. One of our most popular videos is the guide to Hatta. Check it out on this pop-up now somewhere, I think here. Now let's visit the Emirates airline headquarters. It's located at the Emirates metro station and you can access it totally free. Your access is restricted to the second level only. There is a terrace here, so go enjoy a coffee and watch the planes take off. You can also get to the ground level and around the building. Here you'll find the crew after their shifts waiting for their buses. Please be very discreet as they're tired from super long shifts. Please don't come here and take pictures or disrupt traffic. Just have a quick look.
If you want to sound Arab, just add my friend to everything. So, what time is it, my friend? Do you want to eat, my friend? Are you hungry, my friend? What do you want to drink, my friend? Let's go, my friend. It always works. Come on. Go. Too much. Out. Stop. Enough. Too much. You are smoking tobacco with fruit, so good vitamins for you.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah.
Let's bust some myths now. Here are 2 articles supported by local newspapers. Check online to verify yourself if you don't believe it. The first one is the arrest of a gentleman that took a selfie with the Address Hotel on fire. Happened in 2016. The second article is about the 1-month sentence and deportation of a man urinating publicly in the street. This also happened. Let's check out some more myths. 1. I saw on the news a lady got arrested in Dubai cause intoxicated from onboard flight alcohol. Is that true? Absolutely false. The lady got arrested because she got drunk and got into an argument with a TSA custom agent at the airport. She took her phone out and started recording. Rule of thumb, don't drink too much and don't use your phone at the airport customs. Come on, you know Dubai. Are there any terrorists in Dubai? Is it safe? Dubai is the safest city in the world. To enter as a tourist, you need a visa stamp. And to work, you need a stamp too, also a sponsorship. This confirms that anyone in Dubai has been screened and is allowed to be there. You're far safer here than in Europe, since immigration is controlled. Is it true that alcohol isn't allowed in Dubai? What? False! There's more alcohol consumed in Dubai than in many other European countries. It's just more expensive. To own it or buy it from alcohol shops, you need an alcohol license. You must be over 21 and earn more than 3,000 AED dirhams per month. And you also have to possess a residency visa and not be a Muslim. Is it true I go to jail if I hold my partner's hand or kiss him or her? False. If you're not from Dubai, there is tolerance towards who doesn't know. Kissing in public isn't okay, but quickly and discreetly should be fine. Jail won't ever happen for this reason, neither for holding hands. Just remember, you're not at home. Think twice before doing anything sexual. Is it true I can't wear any revealing clothes? Can I go to jail for that? Jail? You really have to be naked for that. We've seen more undressed ladies in Dubai than in any other place in Europe, Americas or Asia. Just don't go dressed inappropriately in inappropriate places, such as malls, landmarks, museums, etc. Clubs are fine, and so are fast foods nearby. When you go out for dinner or to some beach club, you may wear revealing clothes, but don't overdo it. Stay classy, not vulgar. In shopping malls, avoid cleavage and short skirts. If you're in swimwear and have to pass through a shopping mall, cover up with some scarves. Is there any prostitution in Dubai? That's the sixth question. Yes, as in any city in the world, you'll find most of it in fancy clubs or near fancy hotels. Number 7, is it true that workers in Dubai are like slaves? Sadly, workers in Dubai come from poorer countries, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and will accept low wages and confiscation of their passport. When holidays and days off aren't given, passports are confiscated, travel is not allowed, you get low wages and work in 40 to 50 degrees Celsius during the day, we start talking about slavery. We believe Dubai could be doing this better. Greatly better.
I'm loving shisha, And shisha is good for my health, for my lungs. Yasemina, come take away. You're missing vitamin C. خلاص, take orange tobacco. You're missing vitamin A. Then take carrots. It's fine, everything inside خلاص, and you smoke.
Now let's talk about some do's and don'ts when and after you land, plus some bonus information. If you have more than one passport, use the same you entered Dubai to exit Dubai. Don't use your phone at the TSA security checkpoints. Remember before? Taximeters in taxis start from 5 AED, 1.2 euros, and have minimum fare of 12 AED, 2.9 euros. Taxis departing from the airport start from 25 AED, 6 euros fare. Subway is closed from midnight to 5 a.m. If you rent a car, use shopping malls as your free parking. They're close to all the points of interest in Dubai. You'll be saving a lot of money. Never pay for parking. If you dine somewhere, ask if valet parking is available. It might be included in the price. Don't pee or poop in bushes or behind trees. If reported, you could be thrown out of the country and banned or fined. Jail time is also a solution. Don't get drunk if you can't handle it. Shouting, peeing, bad words are all reasons for an arrest. Don't buy and take your own personal shisha water pipe or alcohol on the beach. It's about 2,500 AED or 600 euros fine. You can wear mini skirts and a spaghetti top in clubs and night events. Don't go dressed like this where it's not supposed to. Malls, public places where children go, certain restaurants won't accept you. Use the internet in shopping malls. It's free. No need to buy a SIM card since there are hundreds of shopping malls around, and they all have internet. Change your money into dirhams at the exchange points in shopping malls. It's safe, and there are several to choose from, so you can bargain the rate down. The more you change, the better rate you get. Try to do it for the whole group, so you can easily accomplish this. Don't use your credit card unless you need to. Transaction fees are applied, and so are currency conversion fees. If you're importing alcohol, 4 liters is your limit. We recommend importing it if you plan to drink at home. Remember, alcohol is expensive, and to buy it from shops, you need a license. I've never seen anybody get arrested when importing alcohol into Dubai. Buy tobacco from the airport when you leave Dubai. Prices are much cheaper. Remember, the import limits to your country are usually about 200 cigarettes. Use Groupon.ae for dining, but also for safaris and tours around Dubai. Never pay the full price unless it's a really good renowned tour and it doesn't have a discount. Get insurance before you come to Dubai. Oh my god, hospitals and clinics are super expensive. If anything happens to you, you'd better be insured. An ambulance can cost you from 191 euros to 1,620 euros. While driving, you're allowed to cross the speed limit by an extra 20 kilometers per hour. It's a tolerance threshold. Don't go over that or you'll get fined. A speeding fine is usually 600 dirhams, 144 euros. Malls close at midnight. Big supermarkets have an assistant to fill bags for you. This service is free of charge. Plastic bags are also free of charge. Self-service at petrol stations doesn't exist. It's always done by staff. Diesel or GPL or methane don't exist because cars run on gas only. Hence, only gas is available at petrol stations. We're reaching the end of our video, and I'd like to conclude saying this.
Your wife talks too much. Shisha is answer. Your daughter wants too much. Shisha is answer.
Yeah, whatever. Dubai is about 6 hours away from Europe, 6 hours away from Thailand and neighboring countries, and has fantastic weather 8 months a year. Customer service is insanely good. You're treated like a CEO wherever you go. Dubai has had an insane growth coming out of nowhere in very little time. How can a country manage such growth? Money, of course. Many poorer countries choose Dubai over their own country since the pay is better. However, the wage is still miserable. Many call this modern slavery. Anyone can hire millions of workers, thousands of engineers, and hundreds of architects and build a city from scratch in 50 years, if you have loads of money. The effect of such a fast-growing city often sparks the comment of it not having a soul of its own. I like Dubai, and I love its cool looks. When you visit, enjoy yourself, by all means. But try to keep in the back of your head the facts mentioned above. Many hardworking people aren't recognized and credited for what they are building. Most of the times, they won't even have access to what they're building. This goes for any fast-growing city in the world. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it, and love you all. Peace.
Halas. Forever and ever, my friend.